Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Akib Shahzad. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you are new in my channel, please watch my previous video. They will help you in achieving scholarship, internship, or exchange program for the year of 2022. So today we are going to discuss the government of Belgium scholarship program for the year of 2022. That is a fully funded program. So let's have a look on it. The Government of Belgium Scholarship 2022 for the academic year 2022 to 2023 is now open. The Government of Belgium is inviting international students from all around the world to study for full-time bachelor, master degree and training courses. 150 scholarship as part of the master program and 70 grants for short training courses. The aim of the Belgian government scholarship is to develop your skills. The scholarship is funded by the government of Belgium and all expenses will be covered. There are almost all academic fields and majors offered by Belgium universities. Please note that there is no application fee required. Belgian government focuses on much of its scholarship program on international students from developing countries. Details about Government of Belgium scholarship. The host country is Belgium and the capital of Belgium is Brussels. The courses level are bachelor, master and training course. The financial coverage is fully funded and the deadline is 28 January 2022. The scholarship coverage is international travel cost, living allowance, indirect mission fees and arrival allowance, tuition and return fees, registration fees, insurance fees, travel costs that are part of inter-university training. Available fields are: if you are interested in studying abroad in Belgium, then please check the following fields they are offering. These are the fields for bachelor and for master. You can check it from here. And eligibility criteria: be a citizen of a developing country. If you don't know, click here. Be under the age of 40 for degree program and under 45 for training courses at the time the training is scheduled to begin, and should have the later academic background to apply for relevant field. The duration is one academic year. Specific knowledge of English reading is required and the deadline is 28 January 2022. How to apply? So visit the official website of the Government of Belgium Scholarship. So guys, the call for application for the academic year 2022 to 2023 is now open. The deadline is 28 January 2022. So for information regarding scholarship in English, click here. And the warning: the application procedure is online via the GRF platform. Do not send any personal data, passport photos, copies of diploma, etc. by email. If you receive such a request by email, it is probably a phishing attempt. So do not send your documents to anyone. How to apply? Procedure for submitting application. So how do I submit a grant application? So you have to create account on GIRAF. So guys, here GIRAF, what is your nationality? You have to choose your nationality here. And are you currently working and living in any of the 29 countries listed above? No. Only people who are nationals, residents and workers of one of the 29 areas partner countries eligible for an ARES scholarship. You cannot create a GIRAF account. You will not be able to open an application form. So you must be residents on this country to apply for this Belgian scholarship program. I am from Pakistan and I'm not belonging to any of these countries, so I can't further make my account on GIRF account. So you have to simply create your account on GIRF and then log in your account and then apply for this Belgium scholarship program. So guys, the main problem of yours is that how you can access this online application form. So I think your problem is solved. Though now the further steps are very easy. Simply you have to create your account and after that you have to simply log in and complete the application form. So guys, hope so you understand that how you can apply for this Belgium scholarship program if you are a resident from above listed country. So apply for this scholarship program if you are eligible. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. We'll meet you in my next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.